The world of Japanese watches is far more diverse than most enthusiasts realize, yet the spotlight almost always falls on the same famous brands and best-selling models. Hidden beyond the mainstream are countless exceptional timepieces that combine outstanding craftsmanship, dependable in-house movements, and distinctive designs at surprisingly affordable prices. These overlooked watches deliver the precision, durability, and attention to detail that Japanese watchmaking is known for, while offering fresh styles and remarkable value that often surpass their more popular competitors. If you're looking to discover unique watches that deserve far more recognition, these hidden gems prove that some of the best Japanese timepieces are the ones most collectors have never heard of. Number 10. The Casio Oceanus S100 Manta Ray is a refined blend of elegance and advanced technology, designed to embody the spirit of the ocean with precision and grace. Its slim titanium case offers both durability and lightness, while the sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating ensures clarity from every angle. The dial is inspired by the fluid motion of the manta ray, with subtle blue accents that evoke the depth of the sea, creating a sophisticated yet dynamic aesthetic. Equipped with tough solar technology, it harnesses light to maintain consistent power, eliminating the need for frequent battery changes. The watch also features radio-controlled timekeeping, automatically adjusting to atomic signals for flawless accuracy across multiple time zones. Its meticulous craftsmanship extends to the bracelet, which is engineered for comfort and resilience, making it suitable for both formal wear and everyday use. The Oceanus S100 Manta Ray is not just a timepiece but a statement of harmony between nature and innovation, offering a seamless balance of artistry and functionality. Number 9. The Citizen ProMaster Sky Tough is a bold expression of aviation-inspired engineering, built to withstand extreme conditions while delivering uncompromising precision. Its robust titanium case is both lightweight and highly durable, designed to resist shocks and scratches, making it ideal for adventurers and professionals alike. The dial is crafted with clarity in mind, featuring luminous hands and markers that ensure visibility even in low-light environments, while the multi-layered design reflects the technical sophistication of the watch. Powered by eco-drive technology, it draws energy from any light source, ensuring continuous operation without the need for battery replacements. The watch also integrates radio-controlled timekeeping, automatically syncing with atomic clocks to guarantee flawless accuracy across multiple regions. With water resistance suitable for demanding conditions and a bracelet engineered for comfort and resilience, the ProMaster Sky Tough embodies the perfect balance of rugged strength and refined functionality, standing as a testament to Citizen's mastery in creating timepieces that thrive in the skies and beyond. Number 8. The Orient Automatic Bambino Limited is a timeless celebration of classic watchmaking, blending vintage charm with modern refinement. Its domed crystal and elegantly curved dial create a sense of depth and sophistication, while the polished case enhances its graceful silhouette. The dial is adorned with minimalist markers and slender hands, evoking a clean, understated aesthetic that reflects the heritage of traditional dress watches. Powered by Orient's reliable automatic movement, it offers smooth timekeeping without the need for batteries, embodying the artistry of mechanical craftsmanship. The leather strap complements the watch with a warm, refined touch, ensuring comfort and elegance on the wrist. As a limited edition, it carries an exclusivity that heightens its appeal, making it not just a functional timepiece but a collector's treasure. The Bambino Limited stands as a symbol of enduring style, where simplicity and sophistication converge in perfect harmony. Number 7. The Seiko Presage Zen Garden Edition is a poetic tribute to Japanese artistry, capturing the serene beauty of a traditional Zen garden within the refined mechanics of a timepiece. Its dial is meticulously textured to resemble raked sand patterns, evoking a sense of calm and balance, while the deep, earthy tones reflect the harmony of nature. The polished case and sapphire crystal enhance its elegance, offering durability and clarity that elevate the watch's presence on the wrist. Powered by Seiko's reliable automatic movement, it delivers smooth precision and embodies the craftsmanship for which the Presage line is celebrated. The carefully designed hands and markers glide across the dial with quiet grace, reinforcing the meditative inspiration behind the watch. Paired with a supple leather strap, the Zen Garden Edition is both a functional instrument and a work of art, inviting its wearer to carry a piece of tranquility and timeless Japanese tradition wherever they go. Number 6. The Casio Edifice Chronograph ECB 900 is a striking fusion of motorsport-inspired design and cutting-edge technology, crafted to deliver both precision and style. Its bold stainless steel case and dynamic dial layout reflect the energy of high-performance racing, with multiple subdials that provide chronograph functionality for accurate time measurement. The watch is powered by tough solar technology, ensuring reliable energy from any light source, while Bluetooth connectivity allows seamless synchronization with a smartphone for advanced features such as automatic time adjustment, world time, and schedule reminders. The high-contrast hands and markers are designed for clear readability, enhanced by a sapphire crystal that resists scratches and glare. With water resistance suitable for everyday wear and a bracelet engineered for strength and comfort, the ECB 900 embodies Casio's commitment to innovation and durability. It is more than a chronograph. It is a statement piece that combines modern engineering with the thrill of speed, making it a versatile companion for both professional settings and adventurous lifestyles. Number 5. The Citizen Eco Drive Satellite Wave GPS is a remarkable showcase of futuristic watchmaking, seamlessly merging advanced technology with refined design. Its bold case and striking dial reflect a modern aesthetic, while the integrated GPS functionality allows the watch to receive signals from satellites, ensuring precise timekeeping anywhere in the world. Powered by Citizen's Eco Drive system, it harnesses light to maintain continuous energy, eliminating the need for battery replacements and offering effortless reliability. The dial layout is both dynamic and functional, with luminous markers and hands that enhance readability in all conditions, while the sapphire crystal provides durability and clarity. With water resistance and a robust construction, it is engineered to thrive in demanding environments, yet its sleek profile makes it equally suited for sophisticated settings. The Satellite Wave GPS stands as a symbol of innovation, offering global accuracy, sustainable power, and a design that embodies the spirit of modern exploration. Number 4. The Orient Automatic King Diver is a bold revival of a classic, embodying the adventurous spirit of dive watches with modern refinement. Its robust stainless steel case and striking dial design pay homage to the original King Diver from the 1960s, while updated engineering ensures reliability and durability for today's wearer. The dial features a distinctive layout with luminous markers and hands, offering excellent legibility even in challenging underwater conditions, complemented by dual crowns that enhance its functional character. Powered by Orient's in-house automatic movement, it delivers dependable mechanical precision without reliance on batteries, celebrating the artistry of traditional watchmaking. The watch's water resistance and sturdy construction make it a capable companion for aquatic exploration, yet its vintage-inspired aesthetic ensures it remains stylish on land. The King Diver stands as a testament to Orient's heritage, blending retro charm with contemporary performance. Number 3. The Seiko Prospex Alpinist Mountain Green is a distinguished timepiece that captures the adventurous spirit of mountaineering while maintaining refined elegance. Its deep green dial, inspired by the lush forests and rugged landscapes of the mountains, creates a striking visual identity that sets it apart. The polished case and sapphire crystal provide durability and clarity, ensuring the watch remains resilient in demanding conditions. Equipped with Seiko's reliable automatic movement, it delivers precise timekeeping and celebrates the craftsmanship of mechanical watchmaking. The luminous hands and markers enhance legibility in low-light environments, while the compass bezel adds a functional touch for explorers who value practicality alongside style. Paired with a robust leather strap, the Mountain Green Alpinist balances rugged utility with sophisticated design, making it a versatile companion for both outdoor adventures and refined everyday wear. It stands as a symbol of Seiko's heritage, blending tradition, innovation, and the spirit of... Number 2. The Casio G-Shock MRG G2000 HB Custom is a masterful expression of strength and artistry, blending the indestructible DNA of G-Shock with the refined craftsmanship of traditional Japanese design. Its titanium case is treated with a special hardening process, giving it exceptional resilience while maintaining a sleek, commanding presence. The bezel and band are adorned with intricate hammer-tone finishing, inspired by the ancient Tsuiki metalworking technique, which adds a unique texture and character to each piece. Equipped with GPS hybrid radio control technology, the watch ensures flawless accuracy by syncing with both satellite signals and atomic clocks, making it reliable anywhere in the world. Powered by tough solar, it draws energy from light to maintain continuous operation, while its sapphire crystal enhances durability and clarity. The MRG G2000 HB Custom is more than a timepiece. It is a fusion of cutting-edge innovation and centuries-old craftsmanship, standing as a symbol of resilience, precision, and cultural heritage in the world of horology. Number 1. The Seiko King Samurai SRPB 51 is a striking dive watch that embodies bold design and rugged performance, crafted for those who seek both functionality and presence on the wrist. Its angular case and sharp lines give it a distinctive, powerful silhouette, while the textured dial adds depth and character, complemented by luminous hands and markers that ensure excellent legibility in low-light conditions. The unidirectional rotating bezel enhances its diving utility, offering precise tracking of elapsed time beneath the waves. Powered by Seiko's reliable automatic movement, it delivers consistent mechanical accuracy without the need for batteries, celebrating the brand's heritage of craftsmanship. With robust water resistance and a stainless steel bracelet engineered for strength and comfort, the King Samurai SRPB 51 is a true tool watch that balances durability with striking aesthetics, making it equally compelling for underwater exploration and everyday wear.